Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will start FSMO role. What is FSMO? Also called FSMO rule. FSMO role. You can say flexible master single operation role. This is the full form of FSMO. What is FSMO? Now guys, in our server environment, here I have taken two server. First is server 1, IP is 10.0.0.1, subnet mask class A IP 255.0.0.0, default gateway no need, PDNS preferred DNS I have taken 10.0.0.1, and ADNS means alternate DNS I have taken 10.0.0.2. This is about server 1. What about server 2? Server 2, here we will take IP is 10.0.0.2, subnet mask we have to take 255.0.0.0, preferred DNS should be 10.0.0.1 as server 1, and alternate DNS will be 10.0.0.2. Server 2 IP configuration. What is FSMO rule? In our server environment, suppose we have one server, it means there is no any redundancy, there is no any backup. On that case, suppose maybe after 5 minutes, maybe after 1 hour, 2 hours, there is an issue with the system. Before that, we have to transfer our role to other server. So that it means server 1 has some role, that is FSMO. We have to transfer this role from server 1 to server 2, maybe server 2 to server 3. So you can transfer this role. Actually there are 5 roles. There are 5 role used with FSMO. So we have to transfer this 5 role from server 1 to server 2. First of all, first is forest based. Here we have role, you can say forest based. We have first role is schema master role. Second is domain naming master. This two role is based on the forest. It means in a single forest only we have this two role with a single server. And next is we have, you can say, domain based. First is PDC emulator. Second is infrastructure master, and third is RID relative identifier, and this one is primary domain controller. So you can write full form also, primary domain controller, and this one is RRD, means you can say relative fire. Okay, so 2 role for forest and 3 role for domain. Now guys, we have taken same IP. This is my server 1 and this is our server 2. So for this, first we have to install the role. Next cancel this, reopen again. So install this role. Next IPAC server 2 name is server 2 and IP is 10.2. Next select ADDS and next install. So we are on server 2 computer. We are trying to install the role ADDS. After this ADDS, we have to configure this server as a domain controller. So first server was server 1 and this is server 2. See, name is also here, server 2, this one. And I can show you guys, minimize this, and here local server, this is my server 1 computer. So see this, server1.kabul.com here, computer name and all. So we have to wait for a few minutes so that role will install. If role will install, then definitely we have to configure FSMO. So for this practical, we require 2 server, server 1 and server 2. You can give any name like DC1, DC2, server 1, server 2, any name you can give. So wait and watch. So close this. I have written something about the FSMO. Try to remember this. What is the full form of FSMO? How many roles used with FSMO? How many roles used with forest? And how many roles used with the domain? I will tell you 2 more things. Here we will use 2 options. First is Active Directory users and computers. We will use DSA.MSC. This option used to transfer domain based role, means 3 role, PDC, infra and RID. And next is we will use Active Directory domain and trust. Here command will be domain.msc. So this role, this option we can use to transfer the forest role, means forest base, schema master and domain naming master. So we are on second server. Here promote this server as a domain controller. We are on server 2. So first try to make this domain controller. Here we have to give previous name like previous, that was kabul.com. You can change here, just put same domain name kabul.com / ADMINISTRATOR administrator PA password @123. Okay. So make this server as a domain controller. Use password, any password you can use. So try to use complex password. So actually it will take some time. Password @123. P password @123. Next, any domain controller, otherwise you can select particular domain like this one, server 1, anything you can choose. Next, just configure this. Now trying to connect first server, so will take some time. See, message is coming. Install this. So after installation we have to reboot the device, then after we have to configure FSMO role on first server. We will switch to the first server. Along with this FSMO, we will perform one more practical like, if we have a 2 server, maybe we have 20 server. So no need to move from one server to other server. Simply you can use one server to perform anything on behalf of the network. It means with the help of single server you can manage all server. No need to use other system. You can access. So here we have options. So first of all we have to add remote server. Once you will add the remote server, then you can work on the remote server also. So I can show you again. This is server 1 and this is server 2. In server 1 previous I have created one domain, that was kabul.com. So name will be server1.kabul.com, and here also will be same kabul.com, but name will be server2.kabul.com. So server 1 and server 2, it will come like this. So system has restarted. Will take some time to initialize. Once it will initialize, so we have to perform the role. Also we will perform how to add other server in 2012 R2. This practical also we will perform. Taking some time. Message is coming, please wait. So what about this one? You can use. So here we will add my first server IP is 10.1, and also here we will add this IP 10.0.0.2, so that we can manage 10.2 with the help of 10.1. This practical also we will perform. Two practical. One is FSMO role, and second is how to add other server with server 2012. So this is server 2, same name will come, see there, Kabul. Give the password. So it will take some time. Better no need to waste the time. So click on first server, close this, don't save. FSMO role. First of all, domain.msc to open Active Directory domain and trust. This is Active Directory domain and trust. Process is just right click on Active Directory domain and trust, and first change Active Directory domain controller. Here see server 1 it is already there, but server 2 is not there, so we have to give 10.0.0.2, that is server 2, See, this is online. IP, domain name, anything you can give. I have given just IP. Okay. Next is right click on Active Directory domain and trust and operation master, so that two role will be transferred to the other server. See, server 1, change this. Yes, the operation master was successfully transferred. Which server? 10.2. See this 10.2 domain naming master. This is the message. Okay, close. Start run dsa.msc. Here we can transfer 3 roles. Right click and change domain controller again. Here give 10.0.0.2. Select this and press OK. Now transfer this role, operation master, change. Yes, the operation master role was successfully transferred. OK. PDC emulator, change. Yes, infrastructure master also you can transfer. Done, guys. Close. So this is the process to transfer our role from first server to second server. Again, suppose domain.msc, this is server 2. If you want to transfer this role from this server, means server 2 to server 1 again, so change this domain controller. See this server 2, you can select server 1. Okay, and just operation master if you want to transfer, so you can transfer like taking some time. So here see, there is a error, so here you can also transfer, taking some time to replicate the data. Okay, dsa.msc command you can use. So here change the domain controller, server 1. Okay, operation master you can change. See, automatic will come. You can transfer any role from, means you can transfer the role from first server to second server and second server to the first server. Any role that is based on the domain and forest. Now guys, second task was how we can add the server. So here there is the option all servers. Just right click and add server. Here just find now, see server 1 and server 2. So if you want to add server 2, actually this is our server 1, so we are trying to add server 2. Click this and OK. In progress, wait for some time. Now see server 1, server 2. Anything you can manage with the help of local computer. Server 2, just right click and perform anything. You can use site and services, user and computer from this one. So you can add some more server, but in this infrastructure we have only 2 server, that is server 1 IP is 10.1 and server 2 IP is 10.2. So guys, we have done 2 practicals. One is FSMO and second is how to transfer the role between the First we have the FSMO and second is how we can add the server. Two practice. Okay guys, have a great evening. Khuda Hafiz. See you guys tomorrow.